think there wasn't some notoriety on that trip.
Wow. Carpenter shoots it into deep right center field. This is trouble for the Phils. One hops off the wall. Here comes Jay all the way from first. He'll score, and Matt Carpenter back at it again. 1-0 Cardinals, and what do you know? It's another double.
You know, it's interesting that Jay, a center fielder, had the best read of anybody.